Hello everyone, this is Mr. Eric speaking again. Alright, we are going to look at R3, Chapter 2 Simultaneous Equation, Question 3 and 4. Alright, so these 3 and 4, Question 3 is actually very similar to your Question 2 earlier on. Okay, so what happened is that right here we have two equations, and the second equation, okay, maybe let me just write down the equation 1 and equation 2 first. So in your equation 2, you realize you have 3y equals to x plus 4. And here I have a single x here. Single means 1x. This is the one I'm talking about. And 1x, it seems like it's easy for me to make x as a subject in this case. And hence, I can use substitution method. So with that, I will use substitution method. So from equation 2, from 2, I will have x. Sorry, maybe not. I will just shift the 4 to the left, so 3y minus 4 equals to x. And with this, I realize I have isolated x, and x is actually equals to 3y minus 4. So this will be equation 3. So I just need to sub 3 into 1 now to get rid of my x. So instead of having 2x, my x will be replaced, will be substituted away by 3y minus 4. Minus 5y equals to negative 9. So with that, I just need to open up the bracket and solve for y. So I will have 6y minus 8 minus 5y equals to negative 9. So 6y minus 5y is actually y. Negative 9 plus 8, my y is actually negative 1. And you're done. So now I want to find my x. I will use sub y equals to negative 1 into equation 3, because my equation 3 is x equals to 3y minus 4. So it's easier to use this equation to find x. So x equals to 3 times negative 1 minus 4. So negative 3 minus 4, my answer will be negative 7. So likewise, if I want to check these two solutions, how to get these two solutions correct, I just need to substitute both x equals to negative 7, y equals to negative 1 into my equation 1 and 2. Just press the calculator, make sure the left is equal to the right, and then I will know that these solutions are correct. Okay, so this is how you do checking in an exam. Alright, so let's take a look at question 4 now. Question 4 is slightly tougher because you see fraction, but again, whenever there's fraction, we will get rid of the fraction first. So if you have equation 1, equation 2 here, to get rid of fraction in equation 1, you look at the 3 and 4. The lowest common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. With that, I know that if I multiply with the LCM to this equation, I will get rid of the fraction. So equation 1, I will times the LCM, which is 12. So what happened is that, let me just do a bit longer for you to see. I multiply 12 to the equation. Okay, I multiply 12 to the equation. So x over 3 times 12, which means 1/3 times 12, I will get 4x. 3 over 4 times 12, I will actually get 9y. Okay, just need to press your calculator. 3 over 4 times 12, you actually get 9, negative 9y here, and you will get 24. Okay, so with this actually forms your third equation. Alright, so with this, you have your second equation. We just need to look at this second equation and my third equation to solve. I managed to get rid of the equation, managed to get rid of the fraction to form my equation 3. So with this, 2 and 3, how am I going to solve it? Am I going to use substitution or elimination? Up to you. In this case, I prefer to use elimination because I realize this is 4x, this is also 4x. So I can eliminate straight away. So I will use equation 2 minus equation 3. Okay, because 4x minus 4x, it gives you 0. So I will use minus. So with that, again, substitute the equation. Okay, minus my equation 3, which is 4x minus 9y equals to, right side is a 0, minus equation 3, which is a 24. With this, open up the bracket. I just need to open up, negative times negative become positive 9y. 0 minus 24, press your calculator, negative 24. So 4x minus 4x is gone. So I will have 3y plus 9y, I will get 12y. And the negative 16, I can shift it to my right side. Okay, and it will become positive 16. So 12y is equals to negative 24 plus 16, you actually get 8. Alright, you just press a calculator, you will get 8. Sorry, I should get negative 8, not 8. I should get negative 8. So what happened is that I want to find y. I just bring a 12 over, I'll get negative 8 over 12, which is actually 2 over 3. Okay, you just key your calculator. 8 divided by 12, you get negative 2 over 3. Okay, so with that, I want to find x, so I will sub y equals to negative 2 over 3 into any of the equation 1, 2, or 3 to find my x. But how to find x? Obviously, I do not want to substitute in a fraction, so I will choose between 2 and 3. So I will choose equation 3. Up to you. Okay, you want to choose 2 also can, but I choose 3. With that, 4x minus 9, my y is negative 2 over 3 equals to 24. So I just need to key the calculator. 4x equals to 24 minus, sorry, maybe I don't skip step, if not it will confuse you. So what happens is that over here, I will get plus 6. Okay, just key your calculator. 9 times 2 over 3, you actually get 6. And negative times negative become positive. Okay, so 24. So 4x is actually 24 minus 6. So you get 18. So x is actually, sorry, 18, right? 24 minus 6, 18. So 18 over 4, which is, give me the mixed fraction, okay, in the simplest form. So I will get 4.5. Okay, so with that, you actually solve both your x and your y. Your x is 4.5, and your y is negative 2/3. Right, so with that, you actually managed to solve this question already. So this is considered the tougher question because of the fraction. So just remember, whenever you have a fraction in the equation, you want to get rid of the fraction, you just multiply with the LCM of the denominator. Alright, so with that, that's all for question 3 and question 4.